Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get notifications when people you follow post their first threads. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon. Next, select the hamburger menu. After that, tap on notifications and then open Threads and replies. Scroll until you can find first thread section. Now, tap on the button beside from people you follow. And that's it. This is how you can get notifications when people you follow post their first threads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.